Hi everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back. I'm working on a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and first of all I am going to just put down a little bit of white. So let's see, which one have I got now? Okay, so I have this white here. That's my consistency of, I've tried to make my consistency all the same. Okay, so we have that white, and then we have this white here, which I'm going to be using for my base, very thin. And the colors I'm using today are medium magenta, that would be this one, and ultramarine blue, which is this color, burgundy, turquoise, and copper. Right, so I'm going to lay this down. I think we're just going to play. That's what I'm going to call just a play. So because I don't want a lot of paint on here, I don't want my paint just sliding off. So I really just actually want a very, very thin layer just to help the movement. So I'll just spread it around quite lightly. Right, so if this actually works out the way I am thinking, we're going to need a name for it. Let's just try and smooth that a little bit. Okay. I have a little hair here, which I need to get rid of. Come on. There we go. Okay, and hopefully that's not too much paint. Alright. Just clean that off. Now, let's just plonk that in the middle. I'm going to go in with some copper first. Again, my consistency is very, very thick. Mound on a mound on a mound, and another mound. So we'll just put that in there. And then this is my thicker white. Just put a bit of that in there. And this is the magenta, medium magenta. And this is the ultramarine blue. And then I have burgundy. I don't have too much of this burgundy. In fact, I think that's really the last of my burgundy. And then we have turquoise. Then I'm going to start again and just keep layering my paints. And we're going with the ultramarine. So I really want to get, hopefully, about 3 layers in. Okay, so that's 2 layers. with the copper again. And some white. Magenta. Ultramarine blue. Actually, this ultramarine blue is actually it's a really nice color. And then the rest of the burgundy. And I love that burgundy as well. It's so beautiful. Okie dokie. And then, last of all, turquoise. Now, just put that aside. That's a really pretty cup. Alright, let's see how this works. Okay, so, let's start here. Now, I really like this this one here. And I'm just going to go off this corner here first. And bring it back. And bring it back. There's obviously a multiple ring pour, but you know, I'm trying to actually tilt the canvas while I'm pouring it. really like that corner. So I'm just taking that off because I want to cover that side there. Alright, and those corners, that end there. Yep, all covered. So now is when I am going to need my cups. I like it very much. I'm going to just cover, I think I saw a corner here that needs covering. And then just scrape your bottom of your canvas, or underneath of your canvas. And then I'll give it a torch. And I'll bring you in for a close-up. So guys, there's no silicone in my paint. Look at that cup, is so gorgeous. All the cells on the sides. So I'll put a link in the description box below. There you will find the paints that I've used and how I've mixed them. Give that a torch. Get rid of all the bubbles because you don't want little pinpricks holes when it dries. So if you join up on my Patreon, you will get little tips and tricks which I will be putting up pretty soon, more than likely in the new year, which could be very helpful for if you're new to acrylic pouring, or you just generally want to get some additional footage. Alright, so that was a lot of torching because I just mixed up my paints. So I see something randomly sitting over there. Okay guys, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Alright guys, this is it. See all those little cells popping up? Yeah, that over there, that looks really, really pretty. I kind of like the center. I was just hoping I had a little bit more dark in between, really. And then this end. So I think the bands came out really, really nicely. Those bands there with all that pink, which is the magenta, medium magenta. really like that. I love those colours there too. Right, and then I'll show you from the end. So it does have that 3D effect. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your support. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.